I was able to make this car to move, and also I was able to make this kitten, this cat to move using an free image generator or animation generator. Also, I was able to make this effect, this cool effect. All of these videos were generated using an AI tool. And the sweetest part of it is that all of them were achieved for free. Now I'm going to teach you all of this in just 3 steps. Now, step 1 is for us to go to our browser, whether you are using Apple, Safari, or you are using Google, or you are using any browser. Just go ahead and type in ai.studio.google.com. Just go ahead and I'll put the link to the website in the description box. So I'll just go ahead and click on this particular one right here. Now, after we are done clicking, it is going to bring us to another fresh interface. Now, on this part, it's trying to explain to us that this AI tool is built in with Gemini. Now, it also bring us to this interface. For this place, I'll just go ahead and check the box, and then I'll also go ahead and click on what accept. Now, it also brings us to this interface. Now, here you can chat with it, you can live stream, like you can have a video call with the AI, and also you can generate videos. Now, for this, you are going to be using generate video with O2, VO2. Anyone that wants to know. Now, as you can see on this interface, you can see that it has generated numerous videos for others. So for us to be able to use this, we have to sign up, which is their requirement. At least you used to sign up with your Google account. Now, for this, I'll be signing up with my preferred Google account that I want to use. Now, I'll just go ahead and click on this particular one, and also I'll give it time to load. Then it has bring us to this interface. Now, it will click on this icon right here, and then we'll click on upload image. Now, remember that you can upload the image of your choice, the one that you already have, or you can actually use the image that's already in this platform to, regenerate something good for yourself. Now, and I've just gone ahead to, impute this image. So what I'll do is I'll just want to give it a simple prompt. Now, what I'll just tell it to make it move. That's the prompt that I want it to, so that I can see what this thing can actually do. So now, typical time for it to load or process your image is 40 seconds or more than. Now, we are going to give it time for it to load. Yes, let's just wait more and see what it comes up with. Now, before that, if you have watched this video and you are not subscribed, you are watching my channel and you are not subscribed, please and please and please do well to do what? To subscribe, so that the algorithm will be able to push my video or my content to other people. Please do well to do what? Like, share, and just subscribe. Now, let's wait for it to actually load. Let's wait. Now, while we are still on it, please remember that I will link the website for this in the description box below. So feel free to check it out. Voila! You can see that it has already generated. So let's just click and watch and see what it looks like. Wow! Imagine if I'm starting a perfume business and I just need something to animate my perfume. Like, can't you see? This is awesome. Like, I love it. Imagine if I am starting a perfume business and I just needed something on the go. This is a best or a good app to start with. Now, I really love this. All I'll just do is to do what? To go ahead and download this to my device. So I want to try out another option. Let me just go ahead and try out something new. So I'm going to choose this car. This is my dream car, for those that doesn't know. So I'm just going to choose this car, and then I'm still going to use the same prompt that I used for the perfume. I'll just ask the AI to make it move. I'm not looking for too much. Let me just see. What I'm trying to see is to test out its capability. So what I'll just do is to test it. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. Now, if you have watched up to this moment, like I said, don't forget to do what? Subscribe. So I'm just going to, wait for this to load. I'm just going to wait for it to load, and let's see what it actually comes up with. Let's just wait. Let us wait. Voila! You can see that it has gone ahead to generate it. So let's play it and see what it looks like. Let's just play it. Wow, this car is actually moving. Oh, this thing is incredible. Man, this thing is incredible. I really love it. Well, the only downside is that you cannot use it to generate an image. Like, so I'm just going to go ahead to, download this thing to my device. Yes, I will go ahead and download this to my device. Now let's go ahead and, finesse other features that are in this AI tool. Now for here, remember that you can chat like the way you chat with GPT, or you can also talk with Gemini live, like you are in a video call or in a live stream, something like that. Now you can just go ahead and click on webcam. You'll be seeing its face. I'm not sure, but I've not used this particular feature. The feature that I've used is you can also use this to build an app. So you don't need to write a code, you don't need to do anything. Just tell it what you want this to give you, and it will just go ahead and generate the code for you and do the whole heavy lifting. And lastly, you can also use it to, generate video. Yes, you can use it to generate video. So see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.